From automating tasks to increasing efficiency, ChatGPT is a must-have for any business owner. Hey, my name is Roger. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways in which you as a business owner may use ChatGPT to increase the efficiency of your business. Now if you're new to ChatGPT, I'd invite you to click on that link somewhere above there to view my previous video on ChatGPT. That's an introduction to ChatGPT. And I hope that you'll watch through until the end to learn more about this revolutionary technology. Let's jump right into the video. ChatGPT is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence to have conversations with people. If you are new to ChatGPT, I'll invite you to click on the link above to learn more about ChatGPT in my introduction video to this revolutionary tool. So, how can you use ChatGPT in your business? Here are 4 ideas. Firstly, you may choose to deploy ChatGPT in customer service. Here, it can be used to power a virtual customer service assistant by being programmed to answer common questions that customers might have. And this is by integrating an API, that's an application programming interface. Now, with the use of ChatGPT in your customer service, you can have customers type questions into the virtual assistant, and the customers will be able to get quick responses. The beauty of this is that your clients will be able to have access to this knowledge base over a 24 hours period. So it will operate 24/7. And this can also free up your customer service reps to handle more complex inquiries. Now, here is an example of how you can use ChatGPT in your customer service. You may have a customer who may have an inquiry regarding an order, for instance, that may have been damaged, and this is how you can actually set it up to have it respond to your customer. So notice that it responds to the customer by apologizing for the situation, and it further gives contact information about how the client may now proceed to get in touch with your company to have the situation resolved. Now in this situation here, ChatGPT was able to understand the customer's question and to provide a clear response with instructions on how to initiate a return and request a replacement. Another key way in which you may choose to deploy ChatGPT in your business is in the area of content creation. ChatGPT is a tool that helps people to write content by giving them suggestions and ideas. All you have to do is to simply tell ChatGPT what your content is about, and it will generate content ideas for you. Now, let's say that you want to create a post for your company's Instagram or any other social media account about a new product you're about to launch. Here's how the conversation with ChatGPT may actually go. You may say, for instance, hello ChatGPT, I need help creating a post for our Instagram account about our new product launch. Can you give some ideas? And this is the response. Based on the ideas communicated to you by ChatGPT, you can then choose the idea that you like the most and customize it. And you can also use ChatGPT to suggest specific words or phrases to include in your post. So you may say, for instance, which words or phrases do you recommend included in the post to make it more engaging? And then here is ChatGPT's responses. So notice some keywords that it would suggest to you that you can include in your post. The beauty of it is that using ChatGPT in this way, it can also help you to come up with unique and high quality content for your social media channels quickly and easily. Another key area in which you may use ChatGPT in your business to enhance, to enable your business to thrive, is in the area of data analysis. Now here, of course, ChatGPT is a computer program that's really good at reading and understanding a lot of different kinds of text and information. It can read through a whole lot of different articles and websites and other types of text very quickly. Now, because of this, it can actually look for patterns and connections between different pieces of information. And of course, this now can help you to analyze customer feedback, and you would then be in a position to make more informed decisions which will help your business to succeed. And lastly, another key area in which you may choose to deploy the use of ChatGPT to enable your business to thrive is to use it as, in the area of lead generations. So ChatGPT can be used to identify potential leads and help you to reach out to them in your business with personalized messages. One way to find these people, the leads, is to ask ChatGPT to help you to find people who might be interested in your products. So let's just say, for instance, you are looking for dog toys or organic shampoo. You simply type that phrase into ChatGPT, and it would search through a whole bunch of online conversations and look for people who would be talking about these things that most likely will be interested in or related to your product. So it finds a list of these people who might be interested in your product, and guess what? It creates a list of personalized messages that you can send to them. Thereafter, you can then proceed to use these personalized messages to reach out to these people on the list and yes, try to sell your product to them. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a very powerful and versatile tool that can benefit businesses of all different sizes. So you see from the presentation that it can automate customer service, it can generate reports, and it can also handle a wide range of tasks, saving money, time, and effort for the business owner. I hope that this video was able to shed some light on some of the things that you can do in ChatGPT, and that you will go forward integrating it into your business operation. So don't miss out on the opportunities to streamline your processes and increase your productivity. Try ChatGPT today. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. See you again in the next video. Take care.